in this lecture, we're going to take care of this main screen, okay? So we're going to take care of the title here. We're going to change the title and the colors of the title, and also some colors around here. So let me show you how to do that. Go to your source code, and if you drill down the yellow folders, you should see the words folder. Within that words folder, you will see a screens folder. I want you to expand it. Once you do that, you will see .xib file, or xnib, that's the name of it. So if you click on the home view controller, then you will be able to edit this one. As you can see, it appears right there. Now this is the version for the iPhones, and the one with the underscore iPad is obviously the version for the iPads. So right now in this course, I'm just going to show you the ones for iPhones. However, remember that you will have to do it for iPads as well, okay? So remember, okay? What we're going to do is for iPhone only, but it is the exact same process for iPads, all right? Okay, so let's do this. The home view controller.xib file, just click there, and right there I want you to click on the background right here, okay? So you should see the view that's selected, okay? So here, if you don't see that, make sure you click here and you will see the things coming in and out, okay? That's one way. And also so have those three with the blue sign, all right? So the view is selected, and I want you to change this color to a different color, okay? So I mean the attribute right here, that's the middle one, the attributes, background, click here, and I'm going to take this orange color. Now if you don't have the exact same orange color, don't worry about it, you can choose other and pick up a different color, okay? Actually, I'm going to take a black, just for the sake of showing you that I can take a different color. Okay, so I'm going to go right there. That's going to be 0, 0, 0. That's color for black. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is change the color of the word search words, okay? I'm going to click here, and instead of white color for the attributes, I'm going to select the orange color. All right, there we go. And I'm going to just keep the other two the same color. All right, so now let's click here and change the color of the text here, and I'm going to put orange as well. Okay, now packages, again, you can change the color. I'm going to put orange, and quests, I'm going to put that orange as well. Okay, so you know, just play with the colors and things are going to look the way you want. Okay, so now what I want to do is change the text, the wording. I don't want word search, I want Halloween word search. So how do you do that? First, Halloween word search takes more room than word search. So what I'm going to do is change the font to a lower one. So I'm going to put only a font of 12, okay? And instead of saying word search, I need to put Halloween word search. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right in the search right here and look for the word search, okay? And a double quote at the end, okay? Word search and a double quote at the end. If you do that and press enter, you will see where this entry appears. Now the one you want to change is this one, the word search in localizable.string, and change this word search to what you want. And I'm going to add Halloween in front of it. All right, save this, Command S, and run it, Command R, okay? Command R to run, or just click the play button, and now this will compile and appear within the simulator. So let's check if our changes have been made or not. Okay, so that might take a while because it needs to compile again. All right, build succeeded. So now we should see the home screen with our changes. Let's see, and there we go. So as you can see, we see Halloween. However, as you can see, there's problems, okay? So we gotta fix this, and we see the different colors. So let's fix the title that doesn't show the whole title, okay? So how do you do that? Go back to the home view controller.xib, and right there, when you click here, you have to put the minimum font size, okay? So right here on auto shrink, put a minimum font size and put a minimum of, let's say, 6, okay? And run that, okay? And let's see if our changes have been taken into account. All right, well, That's the ratings. Just put not now, thanks. But as you can see, the Halloween word search now appears totally. So keep playing with the colors and you will get your theme right. Now, we could also change the gift right here, and we're going to do this later, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But let's move on to the next lecture for now.